Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will learn you how to use Micro in 2025 and the go-to collaborative whiteboard tool for teams and individual. Whether you are planning a project, brainstorming ideas or managing workflows, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for beginners. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So here, as you can see it, this is the Miro, the innovative workspace. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now here you will get the options. So now you have a question, what is Miro? So Miro is a visual collaboration platform that lets you and your team work together in real time, whether you are remote, hybrid or in office. It is perfect for brainstorming session, mind maps, agile planning, flowcharts, team retrospective and many more. So first of all, what should you need to be do when you enter in Miro.com? So first step will be sign up and create your first board. So here we don't have any account yet, so what should we need to be do right now? So you just need to be click on here sign up, but before that let's talk about the product, what they are providing us. As you can see in this Miro platform, we will get intelligent canvas, artificial integration, then integration also, then security, the developer platform, then what kind of capabilities we have if we are using Miro. So as you can see, we are allowed to access docs, table space, slides, diagramming. So let's create an account first of all, or let's talk about the pricing before create an account. As you can see in the free plan, they are providing a free plan. They have a starter plan which start from $8 per month. And now here you can see this kind of a feature they are including in this platform, that is single work space with 3 editable boards, start faster and enhance productivity with 5,000 plus Miro and community made template that seamlessly integrate with your workflows with 160 plus app including Zoom, Slack, Google Drive and Sketch, and many features you will get. If you purchase the premium plan, then you will get many more than compared to other. So let's create an account. First of all, sign up for free. Just click on this, and once you click over here, then you can use Google, Microsoft or email to create an account. So choosing a Google account is really simple, so I will go with this one. Just click on this. Once you click over here, then they are asking for select a Gmail account. I am going to select this one and then click on continue, and then click on select all and continue again. And in this way our Miro account has been created, done, like complete. So after completing the process, we will land it to our dashboard panel, and here we just need to be give some answer, like they will ask 5 questions and we just need to be give an answer. Tell us about your team. What's your team name? We are digital. This is my team name. And then what kind of work do you do? Look, we are a product management, or we can say we are engineer and development. Then what your role? So I am the team manager. Have you ever used Miro before? No, it's my first time. Then what's your company size? Yeah, it was 2 to 15. Then click on continue. Our 5 answer has been done, and here you can see that invite from Slack or Microsoft. You can send invite or invitation to your colleague or your friend who are associated with you. So now I don't want to invite anyone, that's why I will click on skip for now. Once I click over here, then they are telling us skip without inviting. To experience the power of Miro, we recommended inviting a few co-workers to truly get a feel or for how it can improve your team collaboration. No, I don't want to do right now, so I will click on skip setup. Then it will take a while and it will come to this place. Where would you like to start planning, then roadmap planning. As you can see that learning loop retro, customer journey mapping, flowchart, UML class messaging system, then mind map. As you can see it, let's click on, let's start. Once I click over here, then it will give us the insight of Miro, and once inside you can click on new board. This way you can create your all the necessary things. As you can see it apply. Okay, done. As you can see, this is a guideline or guided they are telling us to do. So this way we can choose whatever we want. So this is a very simple one. I hope you can do it. Like, this is your digital whiteboard where you creative, like, it gives you a platform where your creative space where you can start building visual ideas. Just click on next. Got it. And now let's go and talk about next step, that is learn the Miro interface. So here's what you will see in the toolbar in the left corner. This is called toolbar for adding sticky note, shapes, text, image, etc. Then we have navigation bar called bottom right, where you can see it, where we can jump and move around the board. Then in the top bar, as you can see it, we have this sharing, exporting and setting in the top bar, as you can see it. Then you can drag, drop and arrange anything anywhere, like it is super flexible. Then you can add elements in the board, like you can try adding it, like sticky notes. Here you can see templates, sticky note. Just click on and like drag it, drop here, and our sticky note has become. It is great for brainstorming. Then we have the shape to map out workflow. Then we have text options. Let's add text script. So as you can see it, and if you want to drag it, drop here, you can do it. Then we have connection arrows, like elements together, flowchart and diagrams. So here you can see sticker, frame, shapes, line. So you can use this one by one this way. Then you can use image icons from Miro libraries or upload your own. Here, as you can see it, if you click over here, you can choose the diagram. Just click on diagram and let's paste it here. As you can see it, in this way you can use this one. If you want to delete this one, you can delete it. Like, let me give you a tip, that is double click anywhere on the board to instantly create a sticky note. Just click on double here, you will get a board to instantly create a sticky note. Then let's talk about collaborator with your teams. You just need to click onto the share into the top right to invite team members by email or link. You can like here, you just need to click on share. Once you click over here, now here you just need to enter emails or invite from Slack, Google or Microsoft, or you can only copy the team invite link and paste it here. Here you can collaborate in real time, you can leave comments, you can use voting features, you can take teammates, like use friends to create slides and guide people through your ideas in presentation mode. Then let's go ahead and talk about the templates. Like, if you want to save time, then you can use built-in templates like Kanban boards, user journey maps, short analysis, retrospective board, wireframe. Just click on template. In here you will get the options called template. You just need to find out. Just click on, and here board, then edit, view, preference. Like here you have the options called template, so you just need to explore it. Once you find out, you just can able to input it templates and search what you need. It is really simple. Then let's go and let's talk about the export and present your board. Once your board is done, you can present it live by clicking this present one, and in this way you can easily present it with your friends, with your colleague, or you can export as PDF or image if it's needed. Just click on stop. By this clicking stop, your presentation has ended. That you can embed it into Notions, Confluence or your website. You can use screen sharing during meeting. Let me give you, if you watch the video till then I will give you some final tips and tricks. That is, use keyboard shortcut, like press question mark for help. Just press question mark and you will get help. Then use friends to keep things organized. Then you can use comments to review with your team. You can zoom in out using your mouse or the navigation tool. Also, there have some other feature. If you want furthermore, you can comment me, I will discuss furthermore. So that's it. You know how to use Miro like a pro, from setting up your board to collaborating with and presenting your ideas. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on a specific template or team use cases. Thanks for watching. and happy whiteboarding.